Hello everyone, welcome to this video on my YouTube channel AI Tips by Nasrin. Today I'm going to teach you 5 clever tips every homemaker should know. Tip number 1. As you know, homemakers usually struggle with a lack of time. There's always a long list of chores: washing dishes, cleaning the house, cooking, running errands, grocery shopping, and more. That's why it's so important to know how to manage all of this efficiently. Let's start with making a daily shopping list. You can use a very useful AI tool or app like To-Do List or List. These tools help you organize your tasks easily. You just type in what you need, like a quick draft on your phone, and they sort everything for you. That's the first helpful tip. Tip number 2. It's about meal planning, deciding what to cook for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are many ways to make this easier. You can use ChatGPT or a website like MealLine, which lets you set your daily protein or carbohydrate intake. You can even ask ChatGPT things like, "I have these ingredients, what can I cook today?" or suggest a meal with around 1,000 calories. Tip number 3. This one is about planning your household chores: cleaning, making juice, doing laundry, watering plants, and other small daily tasks. You can easily organize all of them using Google Calendar or similar apps on your phone. For example, you can set a timer: 20 minutes for cleaning, then next 20 minutes for watering plants. The app will send reminders, a great way for every homemaker to stay on track. Tip number 4. Always set deadlines and reminders for your routine tasks. For example, reminders like time to water the plants, time to vacuum, or time for a shower. If you're someone who's juggling 100 things at once, AI can really help. You can use Google Assistant, a smart tool that reminds you of everything you need to do, perfect for busy women. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos. Tip number 5. Let's say you want to write a letter to a friend, make an e-card for a birthday, or send invitations for a small gathering. You can save time by using AI or online tools. These tools can create beautiful invitation cards or messages quickly and easily. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you'd like to learn even more life hacks, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for my next video.